Okay, so now we're going to have a look at the Built to Last fitness app, as you would see when using either your laptop or your iPad or any tablet device like Samsung and so on. So obviously you'd be sent to the member login section on the Built to Last project website. I'll just click on here and then we will log in, if I can remember my password. So once you've logged in, you would come, let's just click on that again. For some reason it's not. Here we go. So we're in now. So now you'd come to the home page where you'd see, similar to on the actual mobile app, a series of tabs. You've got programs, you've got assessments, got coachings and forms. So here you can see again there's a strength development workout. So if I wanted to have a look at that particular program, you'll see all the exercises listed down here, and again I would just click on the video and you'll see that the video would be displayed and showing me exactly what I need to do to get that workout done. Going back to the home section, you could look under the assessments tab. Now here you would be given a series of different tasks to do, whether that to be completed a certain form. Here you can see the task is to log in your weight. So checking out the height, weight and BMI, they would all be logged in this section here. So over a period of time, you would see what sort of progress you're making regarding your results and your weight loss. Going back to the home page again, you can see the coaching section here. Now this is a great little section where I can send videos, personal messages. Here you can obviously keep a log on your food diary. If you look on one of these videos here, you can see that it's a pre-recorded video of a message that I would send to you, give you an idea. So in that section there under the coaching tab, there's lots of different options in terms of progressing with your progress sheets, progress photos, adherence, making sure that you're actually doing the exercises, and obviously the videos and the coaching points here. And in this section here is I mentioned before about the PAR-Qs and the lifestyle questionnaire. So this is the section that you would fill out before you'd start on the program, to letting me know exactly if you've got any sort of issues that would be identified, so we can tailor the program and make sure you're doing the right type of exercises according to how you answer the questions. So you can see it looks slightly different using it on your tablet or using it on your computer, but the features and the facilities are exactly the same. Okay, so your boy Built to Last Boy signing out, Mike. Until the next video, we'll speak soon.